Hi everybody, it's Russell here. Who doesn't want to find those smooth left to right trending stocks? Are they sustainable? Will they keep going up? Can we find such stocks? Very interesting. I'm going to use VectorVest to show us how we can find some of those stocks. Before we get going here, let's just move myself out the way. There we go. And let's get into the disclaimer there. There are license numbers. In addition, please note, general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. Please speak to your financial advisor. And as always, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Let's cut to the chase straight away. So what I've got here, just bring myself back for a sec there. In VectorVest, we've got this powerful tool called Unisearch. And we've also got viewers, two different tools to help us find some powerful stocks. Today, I'm concentrating on viewers. And within viewers, we've got watch lists. We're going to pick on this watch list here, HCIP. What does that stand for? Stands for high CI prospect stocks, or favorites in this particular case here. So high CI prospects dash favorites. So these are all-time favorites. So these are some of the best trending stocks out there. And all I've done here, I'll just click on it. And then what I'm going to do, so I'm going to sort it by this indicator here, CI, Comfort Index. Now don't worry if you don't know what this all means. Just be with me. So if you do take it a trial, just go to viewers, go to the watch list viewer, open up HCIP favorites. Just ensure that your sort is by CI, the Comfort Index, in descending order. So what this is going to do is it's going to pick on some of the favorites that we've had over the years for smooth left to right trends, or at least in recent months. And then it's going to find the smoothest of the smooth and bring them to the top of the list for you. So it makes it really, really simple to do. You think of the analysis that would have to go into this. So let me demonstrate here to you. So if I go and graph, let's go and graph these given stocks. All right, and I'll pick on this indicator here. I'll just make it jump out just a bit more for you. So this is the CI indicator. It's on a scale of 0 to 2. It's looking for stocks that are testing new highs and resisting severe and or lengthy price declines. Now, if you look at the write-up here, in terms of high CI, it's a bit small, but I'll read it out. This watch list contains stocks that have hit a new 52-week high on explosive volume. So I've gone and found those smooth trending stocks and then ensured I get the smoothest of the smooth. Here I am graphing them. Look at this. This is where CI breaks above 1 around about here. Just over $2. Now it's over $3.30 odd. And you can see, look, it's picking on those breakouts. I don't like the fact there's not a lot of information going back. There's only about a couple of months worth. I want more to go back to give me confidence, but nonetheless, it's on a trend if you're more aggressive. This one here, not quite as much as well. We've got 7 months. So if you're more conservative, you probably want a longer track record. This one here makes me feel a lot more confident. I like a longer trend as such. So here I've got plenty of data to work with, information provided to me. And you can see it was sort of languishing. Then the CI, the Comfort Index, on a scale of 0 to 2 breaks above 1. Look at that. It's gone from, what was it, 40 odd cents to now just shy of $1, not 91 cents. So that one there is breaking out quite nicely. Same with this one here, breaks above 1 here, and it's starting to move up. So let's do this out of interest. So this was, as of 11 June, time recording here. You might be saying, well, that's now. What about in the past? Well, let's go back in time. And what I'll do to set the scene, before I do so, I'm going to draw your attention to our market timing graph. So what we do at VectorVest each and every day is we give you signals when it's a good time to consider being in the market, and we warn you when it's not a good time to be in the market or where you need to be careful. So you can see our last signal there was 1 May 2025 as of time recording here. So I'm going to go back to my watch list. I'm going to line up the turn in the market and then pick on these really smooth stocks. How about that? Right, so I'll go back here. Here we go, 1 May, push OK. So these were the stocks that were returned. And I'm going to just show you what the returns were. So I've got this quick test button. Here we go. So from 1 May through to 11 June, there's a 39, a 17, and 11% return. This one dropped 3 and a -7 for a grand total there of 11.7%. So those stocks there have made 11.7% during that time period. So, it's now not even, not even the end of June yet. And so, just over a month, call it 5 or 6 weeks. Very, very impressive for that time period there. So that's the power of VectorVest. Take it a trial. Hop into the Viewers tab, go to Watch Lists, open up this one here, High CI Prospects. This one here is followed by many of our subscribers. That's how easy it can be with VectorVest. You don't have to spend hours and hours analyzing stocks. We do the work for you. We bring the returns to you as such, the stocks returned to you, and then you can make your decisions. And so, just coming back to the example that we did right at the start. So let's say for argument's sake, you're here on 11 June, and I've sorted it by CI. So I've run the search or the watch list. Ensure now that I'm returning it by CI, and then it's just a matter of just working through to get some great ideas. And I'm only showing the top 5. There's many more. So you might, look at Gore, for example. You go, okay, well, that's not too bad. Yeah, I want a bit more information there one, a bit more information there one. Oh, this one looks interesting, LSX. So VectorVest empowers you with tools where you can make decisions each and every day. Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.
Yeah.